Recording now. So to begin, um, it's fairly straightforward. Uh, so, okay, so where do we start? Um, so first, you make sure you have these statements here that you import the libraries. That's number one. Number two is make sure that you have the green image, and that gets stored here. I want to start with just showing replacing the green pixels. I'll demonstrate the background maybe, um, but I think once I show this, I think you should know how to change the background. Um, so the first part of solving this problem is printing the green pixels at different points in the picture. So at this point, for example, it's at position 0, 0, and then green value. If you print it, it comes out to be around 200. So, and then you can also get the average of a whole row or a column of the green pixels to figure out like what's a good value to find out as well. So I print that here. So for the actual steps, it's with these two for loops. Okay. So for every pixel that's in uh, that's in the row, which is linked going row wise, and and then for every of that pixel, we're gonna go for every column in every column that we go by. So then we do that. So if the image is within that certain range, we're gonna change the pixel to 0, the color, the value. So what this does is it changes the green pixel value to 0, which is right here. And then you just put these in here to display the actual image. And then you run it, and this is how it looks. It's taking a while. Okay, so that's the image with the. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, pretty much for the most part, the green pixels are removed. So we have that. Um, what else? So it's not perfect, and what's missing is changing the background. So that's what's missing. But I mean, I could cover this here, or I mean, I could let you try to figure it out on your own. But basically, you're gonna get the value of the pixel from the background and replace it here in this statement. So you're gonna replace it only from the background image if it's within that certain range. And I put it up to 2000. It's not really necessary, but I did that. Typically, it only goes to 200. So, but you can experiment and try on your own with different values. Another thing I haven't done is gotten the value picture, the pixel value for the array in the red and the blue. That might fix this issue here that there's a couple of green pixels left, but that's difficult to do because his head here is basically green. So I don't know. Uh, I think maybe by doing a little bit of color correction before doing this might help. So to start you off with the background, I mean just do back image read, um, and that's what you do. And you just put the path. Once you do that, you're gonna go down here And then instead of 0, you're going to get the value of the pixel of the background image. And that's it. So I hope this helped. And yeah, it's not too bad. It's just, I mean, it's not bad. It's just straightforward Swift, but that's basically it. So I mean, what's missing though is changing the background image though. That's what's missing, and I'll do that. I mean, I was gonna let you guys experiment without giving the actual answer or just giving out the code. So, anyways, that's it. See you.